In this video, I will show you how to create a checklist in Trello. To do this, just go and open up Trello and go to the board where you want to add a checklist. Then in that board, you need to go and add a card. So I'll just add one right here and give it a name and then click Add Card. Now from here, click on the card, so the card where you want to add your checklist. And then from here in the right section, you can see checklist. So go and click create checklist and just give it a name and then click add. Then here you will see the checklist. Now you can add multiple items with different assignees and due dates. So for example, just task 1, and you can assign it to a person. You can set a due date, although these are premium options. So for this, you will need to have a paid plan, but you can just add any items you want. For example, task 2, 3, etc. And now we have this checklist. And if you mark one of them as done, then you will also see this bar go up, and you can also choose to hide the checked items. But this is how you can create a checklist inside of Trello. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.